canal over here.
Yeah.
I never came back on that. I always wanted to. On my bike. As long as it's clear and I can get my bike back here, I'll come back here on my bike. If they're investigating. Oh, tree! You know what? You know what this is?
What?
Deer.
Yes.
They eat the bark in the wintertime because they're starving.
That's silly deer.
So,
Bark.
maybe you find anything interesting down this way.
Maybe
Are you narrating or just going there?
I'm somewhat narrating. I'm trying to also look professional by maybe whispering to myself for some reason. Oh wow, that looks cool.
Wow, that's gonna fall soon.
Yeah,
That's
is.
pretty dead.
Look at this rod in here.
Yep, it's rotted.
That's as deep as you think it is. Yep. You could crouch into there. Feeling deja vu about that. Didn't I take a picture in there?
And the other path is over there on the other side. Can you see it? That's the main path.
Yeah.
It's up there.
It's up there.
Yep.
See it?
We're going to find out where this goes. Oh, cool. This bark is really neat looking. Isn't it cool looking? Let me get a picture of it just because of the texture.
It's
The
very
visual texture's cool. Trevor, come around. I'll take a picture of you filming. Hi, Trev. He's filming. Wearing my mittens.
It's like Inception though, with the filming and the camera. We could see each other through the camera.
This is pretty cool. I like it. Ooh, look, it's getting faster. The river stepped up. Oh, look at that. The water's pushing on the branch. That looks really neat. You should close up on that. That's cool. Can you see it? I'm going to get a picture of it. It's really neat. Excuse me. I like it. Close up. It's in water. I always get pictures of water. It's cool. This is really fast right now. You know, it picked up speed from up there. It is going fast.
Right, the camera can actually see
you know how fun this would be to be in a
it.
kayak on this?
Oh
right
boy,
now?
yeah.
Holy crap.
You like the rapids nearly.
Yeah. What fun. Oh, I'm too close, honey. You're like filming my nose. There's some ducks over there.
Ducks.
Ducky, ducky. I can't believe how fast this is moving. Okay, this way or that way?
I think it leads back to the same place, doesn't it? No, it
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's split up.
Find out.
Take my way.
Alright, you go that way. I'll go this way.
Yeah, it did lead us back to the same place. Hi.
Oh, it does come together again.
You take the highland, I take the lowland.
And I'll get to Scotland
before
before
ye. I'm a terrible singer. Well, if I don't alter my voice, that is.
I don't know the rest of the song though.
Yeah. That may be the full thing, I don't know.
Yeah, I think this floods up here in the spring. Interesting looking. It's fuzzy. The leaves are fuzzy. They got little fuzzies in them. This is really cool back there. I like it. I wonder if this is going to lead us to the next beaver dam.
Perhaps it will.
Yeah. Wow, look at all these trees that rotted all over. I'm really surprised that it's not blocked by trees. Someone must be clearing them off. I hear a cardinal. Where is he? You see him, Trev?
I don't know. Where is he?
Don't film me blowing my nose. Go up ahead of me.
Okay.
Please.
You gotta try to find him.
Yeah.
I think I'll stop recording for a second just because I'm tired.